my dear friends. Welcome to Art Magic.
Discover how to draw an adorable puppy beside its cage. This easy-to-follow tutorial demonstrates how to draw a cute puppy standing by its cage, ready for playtime. Sketch a rectangular shape for the cage, making sure it's a bit larger than the puppy. Add vertical lines to indicate the bars of the cage. Start by drawing a large oval shape for the puppy's body and a smaller oval for the head. Add 2 floppy ears on top of the head and a little snout with a small triangle for the nose. Sketch a rectangular shape for the cage, making sure it's a bit larger than the puppy. Add vertical lines to indicate the bars of the cage. Draw big round eyes and a smiling mouth. Add details like eyebrows or cheek spots to make the puppy look even more adorable. Learn to add vibrant colors to bring the puppy to life. Choose from browns, blacks, and whites for the fur. With simple steps, anyone can also color the cage, adding silver shades to create a realistic effect. It's a fun and engaging way to learn drawing while enjoying the company of a lovable puppy. Color the cage with metallic shades like golden yellow. Shade in the bars to give a sense of depth and perspective. Color the puppy's fur with your choice of colors. Use shades of brown, black, white, or any other favorite dog color. Add some shading or highlights for depth. Color the puppy's eyes, nose, and mouth. Use black for the nose and dark shades for the eyes. Don't forget to add a bright highlight in the eyes for a lively look. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.